I want you to take a look at this payment that I just received. $407, $258, $157, $172. Now, if you know how to copy and paste, if you have a mobile phone, in this quick video, I want to share with you a brand new method to make money online that you have never seen before. Now, this method is so powerful that I want you to watch very carefully. Do not skip any part of this video so that you don't miss any step. Now, the best thing about this method today is that this is worldwide. Everyone can do this without any experience, and this is 100% free. You don't need any money to do this. This is completely free. And if you watch this video all the way until the end, I'll be showing you a bonus secret method so that you can make money just like this over and over again. Make sure you don't miss out on this part. There are 3 secrets that I want to share with you on today's video. Now, secret number 1, how to use free method to make an instant $300, then repeat again and again every single day. And secret number 2, 4 new websites. So I'm going to show you 4 new websites to earn money step by step for passive income. And secret number 3, how to build 3 streams of income quickly right now. And I want to give you a bonus tips for new beginners just like you to start earning money right now. With that being said, let's get into the video. So right here, please pay close attention because what I'm going to show you in today's video is so important. And if you follow me, you can make a lot of money. Now, first off, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in a keyword FEIYR, okay? FEIYR, and then I want you to press on search. Now you should be able to find the first website right here on top, FEIYR, start your record label, sell your music online. And I want you to click on this link right here. Now once you click on that link, you're gonna go on to the official website where you can sell your music and ebooks worldwide. Now you might be thinking, how can I actually make money on this website? Because I don't have music, I don't have ebook. How can I sell them, right? So this is where the magic happens. So I want you to follow me step by step right now because I'll be showing you how to sign up for a free account, and then I will teach you where to find ebooks for free on the internet, and then you can copy and paste and sell them on this website, and you're gonna make a lot of money. First off, I want to help you to sign up for a free account. It's very simple for this website. Just have to put in your name and an email and just click on get started, and make sure you verify your email address in your email inbox. Right, make sure you click on the link. And right now I want to show you another website. Right, this is where you can find a lot of free ebooks to upload. Now I know that what you're thinking, right? You are afraid that you don't know how to do this, you never do it before, you have no experience. But I promise you, if you stick with me until the end of this video, you are going to learn everything you need to start making money after watching this video. Now, first off, I want you to go to freeplrdownloads.com. Go to this website. Keep watching. Right after watching this video, then you go onto the website because a lot of people, they come on here, they don't know how to download, they don't know how to find the best book, they don't know how to upload, right? Make sure you watch this video so that you don't have to waste your time and try the website by yourself, right? So come on to this website, you're gonna find a lot of categories. As you can see here, let me zoom in a little bit for you. So when you look on to categories, you can find there a lot of different categories. Now, here's the questions. How do you know which one should you download? Because a lot of things is that when you try to resell and re-upload and copy and paste these books, they're actually copyright, right? You're going to infringe the copyright and you're going to get punished. So it's very important. I want you to watch very closely right now. So right here on this page, I want you to find PLR, okay, free PLR. Now you have to be very careful when you're choosing this category, which you have to choose free PLR ebooks. Click on this and then they're gonna refresh the page and show you the correct category, which is free PLR ebooks. Now right here, very important, right here you're gonna see there are a lot of books right here where you can download. I'm gonna show you step by step, but the next question, how do you know which category should you sell, should you upload, right? So here's the thing, when you look on to the left here, you're gonna find a lot of different niches, right? For example, business, internet marketing, health, network marketing, self-help, software. There's so many things. Now, so that I can save your time, I've done a lot of selling on this website. I know what books can sell the most amount of money and you can make the most amount of money. Now, don't waste your time on all these small little categories, right? This is where I want to give you the shortcut. You can straight away go to sell ebooks on health. Right, sell ebooks on health. This is growing so big right now. You're gonna make so much money. So I want you to click on health right here. Just click on this link. Now, once you click on health, they're gonna filter out all the ebooks about health and fitness. Now, this is very important. There are a lot of pages right here. As you can see here, over 8 pages. There are over hundreds and hundreds of books that you can download for free and you can resell them at a very good price. Now, I will show you how much you should price and sell this ebook. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll be showing you a lot of small details and very important tips. Right here, very quickly, I want to show you an example. Free PLR newsletter, belly fat free. Now, this is gonna be a free ebook that you can download and then you can resell them, right? You can resell them completely free. No copyright. It's okay for you to resell them. Don't worry about that. But when you scroll down here, you're gonna find the button here, right? Download is a little bit hidden right here. So make sure you click on this blue download button and the download will be initiated. Now, this is where you can download this ebook on this website. Now, this is the first website, but here's the thing, right? Make sure you listen to this because there are more and more people, they're aware about this website right here. So it becomes more and more competitive because there are other people who try to resell the ebooks on this website. So right now, I want to show you the second website where you can find thousands and thousands of products to download for free. Now, this is idplr.com. Now, on this website, you can find free products, for example, free ebooks, free software, videos, and graphics that you can resell them for money. As you can see here, resells, resell license, PLR license, you can absolutely download and resell them for 100% free. This is completely legal. Again, there are a bunch of different courses, products, books, videos that you can download, and we are going to resell them on feiyr.com. I don't know how to pronounce this website, but this is going crazy right now because you don't have to need any money to sell them, no fixed cost, and you keep 80% of the profit and 90% of the ebook. This is crazy, right? They only keep 10% of the money, you keep 90% of the profit. And the best part about this website is that they partner up with a lot of big companies because they're gonna do the selling and marketing for you. And once they sell the book, they make the 10%, you make the 90% on ebook. This is going crazy. I don't think there are other people talking about this right now. Make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. And again, daily payment. Daily, you guys, 24 hours every single day you can receive your money. I will show you everything on this video in a moment. Make sure you keep watching. Again, right now, let's go on to idplr.com. Back to this website again. You can register now for 100% free. They even give you 2 premium gold products for free. Right, this is incredible, and you can get thousands and thousands of products. All you have to do is just click on register for free, and then they're gonna pop up a new page. You are one step closer to download 12,590 premium quality ebooks, which you can resell as your own. You guys, this is absolutely crazy. Now, they have Gold members, they are free members. You don't have to go to the Gold members, you just have to join them for free. Right? Free members, they'll receive 200 free products, access to even basic training, and new products added on a monthly basis. Gotta just click here to register for free. Click on this button. So right here on this page, you have to put up your name, your email, your username, your password, and just click on this "I'm not a robot" and just click on next. Right, this is all you need to register your account, and then you can start downloading a bunch of different ebooks on this website. Again, I want you to focus on health. Now, when you search on the keyword health, okay, you can search on different keywords, for example, fitness or health and fitness, weight loss. Find different keywords and you're gonna find a lot of different things that you can resell. For example, this one right here, so many things that you can resell. As you can see here, you have hundreds and thousands of things that you can resell. They can download for free here, and then you can go on here to sell them. The more you upload, the more you copy and paste, the more ebooks you resell, the more money you're gonna make. For example, right, just a very simple example, if you sell 5 ebooks, chances are not a lot of people are going to buy them. But think about this. Right, think about this. If you download on idpr.com thousands of ebooks, if you download from free PRR downloads, and then what's even better, you find different categories. For example, business, affiliate marketing, internet marketing. The more ebooks you upload them on fire.com, the more money you're gonna make. Before you go on to start selling, I know you can't wait to get started, right? Because this is a so good opportunity. But again, right, I want to help you to make even more money. Pay close attention to here, because when you go on to avforums.com, now on these forums, this is a very, very famous health and fitness forum. So what do you think? Right, you're gonna find a lot of customers, a lot of people who want to learn about fitness, want to learn about health. They want to improve their health. And guess what? There are thousands and tens and hundreds of thousands of members right here every single day. They are in this forum discussing about body fat, about running, about coach, about different things about health and fitness and diet and weight loss. Now this is a super cool opportunity where you can register for a free account, and then you can come on here and sell the ebook right here on this forum if you have time, right? If you put it on fire, you don't have any choices. You gotta wait for them to do the selling for you, which is a good thing because it's automatic, it's passive income. But if you are somebody who want money right now, right, you want quicker money, you want instant money, and you have more time to do this, you can come on to these forums and promote and sell the ebooks. Right, this is a so cool opportunity. Just go on and click on register button on the top right hand corner. Then you gotta put in your username, email, password, date of birth, location, and just I'm not a robot, and just click on this button right here, register. That's all you need.